Well, that's what I like to see early in the morning. It's fairly clean, and he's driven it here, so he's been looking after it. He's getting his... He's getting his...
Mate, you can't go wrong.
£3 grand?
Yeah.
That's alright, ain't it? He's filling his form in. This one's in for Ecutek map today. It's looking nice. Whew. Jason's liking it. No, Jason's not liking it. But Jason's a Ford guy, so what can we say about that? Let's get her in. In she comes. Looking beautiful. It's breakfast time and the cob lady is not here.
That's not what you call her.
That's not what I call her. But the cob woman is not here. But Jason's very, very upset. Very, very upset.
In fact, we're finding it very difficult to motivate him to do his work.
I mean, if he doesn't eat, he's not going to be able to have a 40-minute poo afterwards, is he?
That's right. Obviously, his ritual is get here late.
He gets, yes.
Get here late, start at 9.
Yeah.
Then he fucking...
Cob slag.
Then cob slag at 9:30. A 15-minute breakfast, followed by a 15-minute poo.
Yeah, when he's finished his poo, he needs to check his phone.
Yeah. So, he generally gets started about 10:30.
Launch control that works. So that's where we finished. Blue line is obviously our work today. Loads of power in the mid-range, top end gains as well. We've done all right there. This is a good, healthy, strong car, and it's performed when tuned. So really happy with that. And we finish on 223 brake horsepower and 194 wheel horsepower. So 223 and 194 at the wheels. Well done, Team Dynodaze. Thanks for hanging out with us. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And there'll be plenty more FN2 content to come, guys.
But basically, you can do it whilst it's running, you can do it on the move, or you can do it obviously when you stop, whichever order. Doesn't really matter either way. So
map one is
map one is mapped, but basically without all the features on. Right. Map 2 is mapped with all the features on, so launch control, auto blip downshift, and obviously the no lift shift. but you have to have the VSA off for the launch control to work. And then once you've got it on launch control, so first gear, clutch in, up and down on the cruise control, set the red limiter up or down. Right, it's obviously set the set it where you want it, up or down. The rest will work on their own.
And to get you onto this menu, obviously you're requesting held cancel to get
Yeah.
to that menu.
Yeah, and then
Afterwards you'll just sit back and get
and swap it basically, and then press it again, and that's in map 3 now.
That's it, valet mode.
Yeah, valet mode, so that won't rev over 3,500 if you take it for MOT or whatever and all the rest of it. Obviously, if you then put it into...
Do you like how it sounds?
I fucking love how it sounds, man.
If you put it into like I say, you put it
Good
into
man.
map 4, so even if someone breaks into your house, takes your keys, you know what I mean, they can't obviously get it going. Obviously, if you come, whenever you come back to it,
Was loud, wasn't it?
in the morning will always be in the last map that you
To get some videos?
You change it.
Yeah, man. I get on with the EP.
Oh, I've just got to get one of the lumbar sensors out the old cat. It's a bit
Alright.
tight, so I'm going to have to warm her up and try and get her out.
Yeah.
The manifold's on. Would you like to have a look?
Well, come on then, let's have a look. And we'll end this FN2 video with a bit of EP3 action. Oh, lovely, lovely, Jason. That'll make some pan. Now, this one's actually get a map using the Honda system. So we'll look forward to that.
Seems to be doing well with Honda, don't we?
Yeah, we do. I think that's the job for Friday. But yeah, like I say, guys, like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll be back with another video soon.
Thank you.